Hello and welcome to Project 1, Story Padlet. Project time. For this project, you will create a Padlet presentation for a short story. Your main choices for this project are the two stories we read in the first quarter, Cask of Amontillado by Edgar Allan Poe or The Monkey's Paw by W.W. Jacobs. Should you wish to pick a different story, or if you joined us late and did not read either of those short stories, there is a list of approved alternate stories in the resources folder on the course page. Follow the following steps to complete your project. First, read over the requirements for this project. Your Padlet wall needs to include the title and author of the story you picked, a 3 to 5 sentence summary of the story's plot, a description of each of the main characters from the story, an explanation of why you selected the story, along with your personal opinion of the story, at least 4 relevant images to enhance the presentation, and an attempt to organize your images and text in a way that is visually appealing, creative, and easy to read. Step 2, pick a story. Of course, the first 2 obvious choices, Cask of Amontillado, Monkey's Paw, but there is that approved list of alternate stories for this project available to you in the resources folder on the course page. Step 3, refresh your memory of the story's plot based on this diagram. We know that all stories begin with an exposition, where we are introduced to the main conflict or problem in the story, the characters, and the setting. Then we have some rising action. These are the events before the climax. The characters attempt to solve the problem, but maybe fails. And then the climax is the turning point or the height of the action, followed by falling action and resolution, where the conflict is solved. This is the basic plot structure. Step 4, find some images you might want to use for your presentation. I recommend using a simple Google image search. Step 5, create your Padlet. Consider the scoring rubric while completing this project. The first area of consideration is content. Are all elements of the project that are required present? If so, you'll earn full credit. The more elements that are missing, the less points you will receive. Accuracy of information. Are you correctly spelling the story's name, the author's name, the character names? Did you get the setting right? Is the plot outlined correctly? If there are no errors there, you'll get full credit. The more errors that are present, the less credit you will earn. Finally, aesthetics. This refers to how well it is organized. Is it attractive? I mean, this is a project, so I am looking for some effort there. The less effort that is evident, the less points you will earn for that category. And finally, step 6, make sure your Padlet is set to public. Copy the link to share your Padlet and paste it in the text box in the Project 1 assignment on the course page.